Hello everyone, welcome to Core Chiropractic. My name is Dr. Dean Jacks, and what we're going to be doing today is demonstrating how to properly perform the wobble chair. The wobble chair is one of my favorite exercises to do, and the reason being is because it increases core strength, it brings fluid in and out of the discs, and especially gets motion in and out of our spine because we sit way too much and our spine stays stagnant, immobile, and this compresses the spine and leads into arthritis and lower back problems and so forth, compression on nerves, and that's what we don't want. So using our model here, what we're going to do is demonstrate 4 movement patterns. One movement pattern is going to be front to back, and that's what we're going to do first. And we're going to do each one of these movements for 10 repetitions. So let's go forward, and then we're going to go backwards. And the key here is to use the deep core muscles in her spine to initiate the movement. Now she should start to feel a burn in through the abdominal region and through the lower back muscles, and this is a good type of burn that she knows the muscles are working. Going forward and going backward constitutes 1 repetition, and again we're going to perform 10. So that's movement pattern number 1. Movement pattern number 2 is going to be side to side. So she's going to go to the left and then also to the right, and again she's initiating the movement from her core, which is the abdominal muscles and especially her lower back muscles. And she's getting movement in through the spine, fluids coming in and out of those discs. So we want discs and cartilage that are supple, that are flexible and healthy compared to being arthritic and degenerative. That's a good healthy disc when it's healthy and it has a lot of water going in and out of it. The next movement pattern is going to be clockwise motions. So she's going to do a clockwise pattern where she's trying to bottom out the chair in each corner of the movement. And again, she's moving from the core here. She's not just leaning frontwards and backwards. She's using these deep muscles to initiate those movements. 1 revolution is going to constitute 1 repetition. And the last movement pattern, number 4, is going to be a counterclockwise motion pattern. So same thing, so she's unwinding the spine from what she just did, using the core muscles to initiate these movements. So this is the 4 different movement patterns, and again we're going to do these 10 repetitions. This is a beginner version. So a way to advance this up would be to increase it by 5 repetitions each week until you get to 60 repetitions. And this should only take you about 4 to 5 minutes to do that, and it's really not that much to ask because it's just like we're taking care of our health. We have good care of your teeth. We have good dental hygiene, but we also want to have spinal hygiene as well, and something you have to do on a daily basis to prevent injuries for your spine, and also so you can do the things that you want to do, whether it's playing golf, lifting up your kids or your grandkids, being able to travel and go on vacations, to be able to do things and just really not having to worry about your lower back. But you do have to be proactive in doing this, and the wobble chair is an excellent way to being proactive to a healthy spine and specifically a healthy lower back region. So incorporate the wobble chair into your daily exercises to help your lower back pain if you're already experiencing, and also to prevent lower back pain from possibly occurring in the future. So hopefully this was helpful for everyone. Thank you for tuning into Core Chiropractic. Make sure you tune into the other episodes as well. We're going to be going over different other rehab techniques to enhance the health of the spine. So stay tuned in for those. And again, my name is Dr. Dean Jacks, and thank you for listening.